Okay, and make the screen bigger. Hello, everybody. Welcome to everyone that watched this live, and welcome to all of you that will watch the replay. My name is Ziv, also known as Fun and After 40. I'm gonna give my thoughts on the crypto market crash, cash, crypto market crash we saw last night. Where we headed, what's going on. I'm optimistic. We're gonna wait for a few people. This is gonna be like a talk Q&A, not trying to sell anything. Not just. I think it was important to do a live session with you guys to talk and see where are you, where am I, and where are we going, basically. So we got a few people in. Feel free to just let me know first of all that you guys can hear me, see me, all that stuff, and we get going with my chai latte. That's what I'm drinking. Okay. So before I'll answer all those questions, first of all, I'm gonna tell you what I see. I'm gonna talk for a couple of minutes, and if you like everything, of course, subscribe, check all my other videos, and we'll go from there. Sounds good? Okay. So, last night, I assume most of you already know, crypto crashed. Bitcoin went down to like 42, 43. It was like Friday around midnight Eastern Time, USA. When the volume and liquidity is low compared to the rest of the week, even though the crypto market is open, to me that's a manipulation sign. That's a red flag manipulation to scare retail, just like we did scare retail in May. A lot of retail got out the game in May. A little side note, I did a TikTok, and I'll talk about YouTube in a second. I did a TikTok, I think, around, I don't know, April, May, when all-time high was everyone were in a super euphoria, and then we got crashed. And then I said, this is what's gonna happen. We're not gonna go up, we're not gonna go down, we're gonna go sideways for a couple of months. Retail already lost because retail got in around March, April, and then they will see that their coins are down. Retail don't have patience, and instead of going straight up, which we didn't go anywhere 3 months, just like I predicted. Retail will get bored, and retail will get into Bitcoin at around and crypto as a whole at around 60,000 plus, which exactly happened. We didn't do anything for about 3 months, and around September, mostly October, we start to see Bitcoin at 60, 65, 68, reach all-time high. And of course, that's when all the retail FOMO got in again. The one that lost 6 months ago and didn't have patience to stay in the game, they got in at 65 plus, and basically they lost again. They lost because now they're selling. I did a video on YouTube, Bitcoin and Ethereum price prediction about 3 weeks ago. Feel free to check my channel. It didn't get a lot of views because people don't want to hear bad bad things. They think that everything will go to the moon forever and everything will be good. I used volume profile. That's an indicator that, as far as I know, profitable day trader are using for to be successful and profitable for longer than 10 years, longer than a decade. You won't see those people on YouTube or TikTok or anywhere else because, frankly, they're profitable and they don't need to post videos about how they trade on YouTube to make money from views. I said this Bitcoin was around 58, 59 3 weeks ago. And I've said this, according to the volume profile, there's only retail at this level. There's only retail at this level. The last level that institutions were in and waiting to buy again, two major levels, 52, and this was at 59. People disliked the video, didn't watch it. I got some comments, haha, you're delusional. Retail institutions are waiting at 52. They're not buying higher than 52. And the second level is 47. Institutions are waiting at 52 and 47, and everything you saw the graph from like 55 all the way to almost 70 was basically retail FOMO. And of course retail always lose. It's just the game. Retail always lose. We're now again at 47. All the people that got into crypto in the last I would say month and a half, since Bitcoin was over 60 plus, they got in for the first time. Guess where they parked their money? They didn't park their money in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Hey, that's boring. It doesn't move a lot. They parked their money in time, in Ohm, in KlimaDAO, in all that 80,000, 100,000, 300,000% annually return, which is great for the people that got into those protocols on the first couple of days, September or October, when OM launched. Not get into Olympus DAO at the end of November. Okay, so you're making 1% a day, and the protocol is down 15-20% a day. You're happy with your 80,000% annually, but the problem is that retail went that way because retail always lose. I am retail. I just try to do better than the average retail because institutions are not buying DAO 3 months after it launches. Mark Cuban said he's a long OM, is very bullish on OM, but most likely got in probably on the first week, like 2-3 months ago. So his interest is a lot better than the people that got in now, because you see all those videos, how much I made, all that nonsense on my feed in the last week. That's basically what's going on. And now, when Bitcoin drops from 60 to 45, 47, doesn't matter. All those retails that have dumped so much easy money into those all those protocol will get a wake up call. Probably will sell because it's not gonna go move up. It's not gonna go down more. I think it's just gonna go sideways again. I don't think we're in a bear market. I don't think we're in a. I think we are in a bull market, but we're gonna wait a couple of months, same as in May. All my opinion, of course, not a financial advice. We're going to move sideways to dry the market from retail again. All the retail that got in again at 60 plus got into all those like high APY DAO nonsense. Not nonsense. They're good. The original is good. OM is good. But OM was good when you got in 3 months ago, not now. Just like you got into DeFi Kingdom and get jewels on Harmony One. It's great, but it's a lot better to get in September than buying jewel now in December. If you get into a farm 3-4 months later after the public because you see all those videos on YouTube, you are already too late. People don't understand that. They just don't. They will lose. The market will move sideways. People will get bored. They will move to something else. And a couple of months from now, we will move back up as we always done in the last couple of months. This is not the same as a 2018, 2019 crash. It's not the same. There's so much money. I'm going to talk about it in a second. There's so much money in this market now. There was no DeFi. There was only Aave. And now there's like 10 other projects that are a lot better than Aave. There's, as I love Aave, but there's just the technology. It's crazy. Arbitrum. I did a video about Arbitrum potential airdrop. The more I search this, layer 2 solution for Ethereum, the more I like it. A lot of projects are coming to Arbitrum. From my search, okay, I'm gonna keep my talk. From my search in the last, I got into this airdrop stuff the more because I got pissed because I didn't have a ENS name. I didn't get 20, 30, $50,000 ENS. just by spending, I don't know, $200 buying Ethereum domain name. I did bought a few days ago Unstoppable Domain Finance After 40 crypto, $10 on Unstoppable Domain. They do not have a coin yet. Go check it out, Unstoppable Domain. I'm sure they will have a coin in the future to compete with ENS, and I think they're better. You pay $10 forever. There's no 10 years. There's no yearly subscription. You pay $10. Go pick your name. It's either that crypto or that something else, that ZIL, I think, or that Solana. I don't know. I picked Finance After 40 crypto, $10 forever. And if this gives me a $20,000 coin, so be it. I don't think that it will win. I think that crypto will win at the end. If anything will beat that com, it's probably gonna be that crypto, not that Ethereum. That's just my opinion. Could be wrong. But the point of this story, since I started this going the airdrop rabbit hole this last 3-4 weeks, something like that, the more I see, the more I know that I know almost nothing as of today about crypto. The more I think that I know, the less I know. What do I mean by that? If you go and you go out of YouTube and TikTok world, which is where the major coins talk pumped, all the top 10, top 20, all the DAOs, and all the Ponzi. And this is, by the way, I think this is why Hex crashed from 50 cents to like 15 cents in the last 2 months, because all the Ponzi people that went from Hex, now there's a better Ponzi. Olympus, Klima DAO last month, $3,000, 600 now, 80% drop in 30 days. Klima DAO, 80,000% annual return. The next best thing, carbon stuff that they just unbelievable. But people like that stuff. So if you bought Klima DAO a month ago, you're down 80%. Sure, you're making 1 or 2% daily annual return, but you're down 80% on your initial investment. I want to bet with you that your original amount is a losing amount as of today. So my point is, in the last month or so, when I went down the rabbit hole, I've seen so much innovation in crypto, so much innovation. It is ludicrous. It is ludicrous. Let me give you 2 examples, or maybe 3. Example number 1. Yesterday, I just tried something out. I put a couple of bucks just to try. Stable farm, okay? Stable farm that is pegged to the euro, okay? Pegged to the euro, not pegged to Tether, not pegged to USDC, DAI, TUSD, and all those stable coins that are pegged to the US dollar. Pegged to the euro, 4 euro coins, okay? I don't know what's called JEUR, TEUR, something like that. 4 coins, stable coins, 89% annually, just pegged to the euro. That's it. Almost 90% annually. Unbelievable. Where is this project on Jarvis on Medic, which is another airdrop potential that I need to do a video. Unbelievable. Cool haircut. Thank you. Unbelievable. Jarvis for Medic. So they started, and they're not the only one. They start to implement other stuff than just peg to the US dollar, peg to the euro. And that brings me to the conclusion in my head: when crypto on board Forex, not just on board S coins, as Tesla, as Facebook, like Mirror Protocol on Terra Luna is doing, once crypto will onboard Forex, and they will not just rely on all those Binance USD, Tether that no one knows what's going on with them, and all those stable coins that are pegged to the US dollar. When Forex come into the game, and I already seen Euro, I've seen GBP, I've seen Yen, there's gonna be a whole lot more innovation, a whole lot money that is not in crypto now, the Forex money, to draw themselves into crypto. That's one. I've also seen, and I've done that yesterday. I haven't taken the trade because it was like 1 a.m. yesterday. Lyra, Lyra. Unfortunately, I've missed that airdrop. This option play. I'm gonna talk about it in a second. They're going live, I think, in 2 weeks or so, December 14. This is on optimism as well. I think no, the other one was on Polygon. This one I think is on optimism. Lyra. You can gamble if you want, buy call options or put options on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Chainlink as of today, but and you need to use USD to do so, okay, which is a synthetic, another super undervalued coin. Synthetic is around $5-6. It was $20 a year ago. I think we're in a DeFi bear market in the last year, just so you know, and eventually the DeFi will explode. Right now, retail is just forming in to metaverse, to Ponzi, high numbers, yield farms, all that stuff, instead of focusing on where the real money goes. The real money goes into DeFi. Eventually, it will change, as always does. But so Lyra, just for the example, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything, you can sell options for income. You can sell covered calls on Ethereum or cash secure put on Ethereum, Bitcoin, or on Chainlink. Those free. I assume there will be more. I've done a little, math. If you sell, and this is a weekly options as far as I've seen, for December 10th, next week, you can sell the Ethereum 4,500 covered calls for about, and you get paid upfront in SUSD, which you can convert. It's a stable coin, but then you can convert it on Optimism, so it's cheaper than just convert coins on Ethereum, which is crazy. But you can sell covered calls on Ethereum 4,500 and get 2.7% a week, which, if you do the math, I don't know, like 200% annually just by selling weekly covered calls for, I don't know, like $4 or something fees, which will probably go down as well, just like Robinhood did to the rest of the market, basically. So we got ourselves, and I'll get to this point in a second. We got ourselves another major market, the option market, that needs to go into crypto as well. And there's a few problems here. The first problem is the original platform that I've used, Ribbon. If you guys saw my video from like 6 months ago, ticker symbol RBN, I sold options on Ethereum for income on Ribbon protocol weekly, which was great, but then you need to do it every single week, and the Ethereum fees are eating you alive. So it wasn't sustainable, and I think Ribbon just goes sideways and doesn't go anywhere because they're stuck on Ethereum. So now this protocol, Lyra, Lyra, is coming to the play. They're building on synthetics, on optimism. And if I can sell covered calls for another 200% annually just by using my Ethereum or Bitcoin and add into my income, add another source instead of going back to the stock market, that's the future. That's the future of crypto. Everything will be on crypto. Everything. Forex, options, commodities, stocks. And first of all, you need a blockchain or a side chain to win. So it needs to be fast. It needs to be cheap. It cannot be on Ethereum. Now we got Arbitrum. Now we got Optimism. We got ZK Sync. All those coins are not live yet. I highly suggest you do a couple of trades to hopefully be eligible. I need to haircut a little. You need to be eligible for hopefully an airdrop, but all those stuff, all the technology, all those protocols are pushing the whole world and the whole use case application into crypto. It's much better and lucrative for me to sell covered calls on Ethereum to get 2.7% weekly, sure, go buy Klima DAO for 80,000% and think, hey, 2.7% a week is nothing. You're down 80% on your investment in a month. Go ahead. Tell me that I'm wrong. I dare you. 2.7% weekly just on your Ethereum. It doesn't cost a lot because it's on Optimism, which is also undervalued because it's not even a coin yet. But still, there's so much stuff. So if crypto will bring Forex, if crypto, and they have started, crypto is starting to bring options to the trade. And this is just on the majors, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, a little bit Chainlink. I don't think they have some liquidity on Chainlink. I've checked. It's not really worth my while. But again, think about option like, I don't know, 30 years ago. It wasn't a lot compared to today. Every single stock out there has weekly options. The volume is insane. All of this needs to go on crypto, and I get a lot more selling weekly covered calls for 2.7% than selling covered calls on Apple for next week. I assume you're gonna get 0.1% at best. I'm not doing that, but that's what I think. And to get to 4,500, Ethereum needs to go another, I don't know, 11% in a week or so. Of course, it's doable for me to sell my Ethereum at 4,500 and still collect the premium. This is not an option one-on-one beginner. And again, the conclusion, then I go to all the questions, guys. Conclusion. Doesn't matter what Bitcoin have done, went down from 70,000 to 40,000. For me, it's to shake out retail so institutions can buy at 52 and 47. This was the original levels that I've seen on the video 3 weeks ago. That's where institution is. For Ethereum, it's a lot better. For Ethereum, it's a lot better. There's institutions all over the place, starting at 4,000, ending at 4,000. 4,000, 39, 38, 36, 35, 34. Every $100 that Ethereum goes down, there's institutions there to gobble it up. For Bitcoin, it's a different story. That's why I'm bullish on Ethereum a lot more than Bitcoin. But retail, that's a different story. Retail, they got flushed out in May. They got in March, April, got flushed out in May. The next 3 months, nothing happened. So retail got bored, sold everything at a loss, got in again at the 60, 65,000 Bitcoin level. And instead of going on legit projects, they just aped into all those crazy yield farms in a later time instead of going the first couple of days. And that's and retail will probably sell in the next couple of days or the next couple of 2-3 months. That's my conclusion. And then we'll probably go back up around March, April. But this time, I don't think it will be NFT or metaverse. It will be a different cycle. And hopefully the DeFi cycle will start again. Another cycle needs to start. Fresh money somewhere. We've done the gaming cycle. We've done the metaverse cycle. We've done the Ponzi cycle. We've done the yield farming cycle. We need to go back to DeFi where actually money is coming to play. That's just my opinion. And until then, build your bags, basically. That's what I got. Let me read some questions and subscribe, like all that stuff. Not here to sell anything, just talking about what I think. But if you do want to support Patreon, all that links in the description below. $10 a month. Yeah, and you can actually DM me there. Okay, let's read some comments. And let me know what you think about my speech. Hello, my friend. Hello. What coin to buy in the dip? Well, if you like a coin yesterday after you've done a research, you probably get the same coin today for 20-30% down. No? Put money that you can afford to lose 100%. Be happy with your choice. Don't rely on YouTube trending crypto videos. That's the last thing you want to rely on. all those Olympus DAO videos. I'm telling you, Time Wonderland on YouTube, from like 10 crypto videos, there's like 8. And from those 8, there's like 7 new YouTubers doing videos on my feed. I got into Time Wonderland 7 days ago. Here's how much I made. Then you see the video, they're down 15% total, but they're up on one day, 1% a day on their, uh, and this was before the crash. I'm telling you, like 90% of the videos today is on Time. After that, you got, and this is why Avalanche exploded, by the way. Avalanche is a great product. I talked about it at $10, but just you go on Avalanche, you ape into Time, because this is what retail have done the last month. Instead of doing that 3 months ago when Time started, just this is what it is. A lot of you will not agree with me, but that's the reality. It is your money. You're losing money if you're getting into Time in the last week of November. Don't believe me? Check your balance. Check your balance. Okay. Did you buy land in Sand? No. I'm not into NFT. I like Sand as a whole, but as a finance guy, I don't know, finance in my, I won't say in my blood, but finance as my passion. My focus is DeFi projects, and no, I can't buy what I don't understand. As crazy as it sounds, should I buy the Sand at $9? It's now $5, $6 now. No. Should I buy land on Sand because everyone on YouTube telling you go buy land on Sand? It's gonna be worth $1 million. No. You could do that. Maybe it will. In my opinion, it won't, but I don't know the future. I don't believe in Sand. I haven't searched it enough, but I believe in finance coins. I believe that I can stake synthetics, SNX, and make 27% on a solid blue chip, in my opinion, DeFi coin. That's what I believe. I believe that we'll see how that farm goes. That I can stake some stable euro coins for 90% annually. I believe that I can put Medic and Crypto.com 50-50 pool on QuickSwap, then take that pool into Beefy Finance for 189% annually. And if Medic goes up, they sell a little and get more crypto. If crypto goes up, they sell a little, I get more Medic. That's a great farm to be. Two great projects. That's what I think. As for crypto.com, just a side note, you guys want, I like the coin, but if this was a stock, let's be real, with all the money that they've spent on marketing in the last year, if this was a stock and it was a company with a board of director, that company would go down so much, and people will not approve all this crazy marketing spend that they're doing. uh, every other day I see they have new partnership, crazy insane marketing budget for crypto.com. But crypto is not the stock market, so that's the key. That's what I think. Let's see what else we got. All good, thank you. I'm feeling a little scared. Okay. Based on your experience, when will the real bear market start? Some people say end of this month, some say around March. I don't know. I don't know, and I don't care. I don't care. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. I need to do a post, either Patreon or YouTube. You start paying attention, guys. Start paying attention to VE coins, not one V. Okay, VE. Let me write it down because this is important. VE coins. As of now, as far as I know, let's see that I wrote it. As far as I know, VE coins. Okay, very important. As far as I know, there's 5 of those in the market today. This is why I don't care about bear market or bull market. I want the bull market to continue. But the last couple of my mind started to shift regarding crypto. What I mean by that, I don't just want to buy a coin from the top 100 list on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, a coin that, hey, I wanted to go up, and that's it. There's good people development, partnership, all that stuff that you're looking for, roadmap. Yeah, good coins that you think will go up. Okay, I can give you about 20, 30 of those from the top 100, because the only thing that you can do, you have no control of those coins. Sure, they are great projects in theory, but there's nothing that you can do other than buy the coin. You can't stake it, so you can't make more. You can't put it in a dual farm, let's say your coin plus Ethereum, so you can't make even more. And the third part that I've started to look lately, you can't get any rewards, VE rewards. So all you have, and I'm gonna talk about it now. So all you have to do is just pray for crypto to stay bullish, and for your coin that you pick from the top 100, because you did your research, whatever that means, you pray for that price to go up. Okay, and in a bear market it will go down, but you have no leverage. You can do absolutely nothing with that coin, and there's a lot of them out there that have no great coins, but the Quant, for example, what else, Graph, the Google indexing, and this is just from the top of my head, great coins, but there's nothing that I can do with them. I can't make any passive income just by holding them. All I can do is pray for the coins to go up, and for that I need to pray for Bitcoin to go up and crypto as a whole to go up. When do I sell? I don't know, because yesterday everybody got a bidding of 20-30% in the middle of the night. So what's the point of holding a coin for a year and in one day it loses 30%, but you, in that year or something time frame, you haven't made one penny just by holding it? So there's 5 coins, okay, as far as I know, and this is a trend that I'm starting to see. It was one a year ago. Curve is the original one. Okay, Curve, super undervalued, of course. Nobody talks about Curve because some smart people talk about curves, but it's not trending on YouTube because the website is horrible. It's looked like I don't know, Windows 1995 or something like that. Curve was the original VE curve. So you stake your curve, okay, you buy curve coins, you stake it on the platform for 1 week to 4 years. The longer you stake, the more VE curve rewards you're getting. Someone is at the door. I think it's the mailman. Hold on, guys. It's like.
How you doing?
Thank you.
Have a good one. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mailman. Actually, UPS. Anywho, it was Cyber Monday. I hope you enjoy. So, hope I didn't lose anyone. Curve was the original. Go watch YouTube. When you're doing research on crypto, start watching YouTube about stuff that are not trending, not Time Wonderland and all the forks of Wonderland. Stop looking for stuff that makes money. Curve. If you buy Curve and you stake it, you get VE Curve. That means you're getting rewards from other protocols, other coins, every single week or 2 weeks for as long as you stake it. That's just one example. Second example is and that's how you know this is a valuable coin. I like Curve. It's in DeFi, it's in finance. I'm bullish on Curve, I'm bullish on DeFi, I'm bullish on crypto. But if I buy Curve, I don't just have to wait for it to go up and pray for Bitcoin to go up, because I get rewards in the form of VE Curve. it wasn't very sustainable for a small account up to a couple of weeks ago because it was all on Ethereum. But now I have Curve on Medic, where I love. Curve is now on Arbitrum. So all those rewards, the VE rewards, will migrate as well. You need to to claim a reward, you need to pay gas fees in Ethereum, and sometimes it's just insane. So there's a lot of progress. The second coin is CVX, Convex Finance. I did a video about it about 6 months ago on my channel. Nobody cared about that video, but the coin is very, very valuable. They have $15 billion locked, and if you stake your Convex Finance CVX, you get VE CVX, VE Convex, basically, which means same thing. You get rewards from other coins. You get rewards from other coins. Sometimes you get paid in Curve. Sometimes you get paid in Spell. Everybody loves Spell. The stuff like that. That's another coin. There's another one, Frex. I'm not in it, but there's other smart people on YouTube that have talked about Frex, FRX, and the Frex stablecoin. You stake Frex. I don't know if you get rewards, but I know you get VE FRX. So I assume it's the same model, and you get rewards either in Frex token or in stable coins or in other rewards coin. There's two more. Okay, the one that I've talked about last week, I got this from this guy YouTube channel. Go watch him. A very smart guy, a kid like 20 something years old. Wrecked food. Let's wrecked food farmer on YouTube. Go watch his channel. He got my attention to two other VE coins. Very smart, very young guys. The money is at the young people that are not following the trend. The money is in with the young people in crypto that are not just aping into yield farms with 80,000% annually 3 months after it started. So this guy pointed me in two coins. First one is a Keeper, and where you buy Keeper and you get rewards in two rewards. You get VE Keeper, so you get more of the same coin, plus VE Euro. So you get a stable coin in the form of Euro. And then I search Jarvis to get more Euro stable coin. It just, the machine is endless. And and so that's a great coin to search, KP3R Keeper. And the fifth one I just started to search a couple of days ago. Same guy from Direct Food Farmer. What's it called? I think Hand HND, where you stake HND and you get VE Hand. So those are 5 VE Hand rewards. Those are 5 coins that started, starting to reward you just by having your coins, by giving you rewards in other coins. Okay, so I can buy Quant, and I have in the past, when it was, I don't know, $40, and I sold it at 80, and then it went to like free something 300, and it's below 200 now. But I there's nothing I can do with Quant. GRP, the Google one, same thing. I bought it 50 cents, sold it at like 80, and then it went to like $1.10 or something. Now it's back to 80. But there's nothing I can do. If Bitcoin goes down, doesn't matter if the coin is good. So I'm starting to shift my focus. And by the way, those rewards are insane. All the APY that you see on those platforms, you see 20%, 40%, 60%. Not including the rewards from other coins that you're getting every other week or every week. Depends on the protocol. So let's say Keeper, for example, you get like a 40% annually paid in Keeper plus Euro Forex, give or take. It doesn't include all the rewards that you're getting from other coins just by staking Keeper. Same thing for VE Curve. Just by staking Curve, you're getting a lot better rewards than just by holding Curve. but it doesn't include the annual number that you see, doesn't include random coins giving you money. Why are those random coins giving you money? Because they want your vote. Once you stake a coin from those five, it's the same model, give or take, just everyone is getting better than the original curve. If you stake VE curve or VE convex or VE keeper, you get voting rights. And those coins spell, for example, they want to bribe you. There's like a VE curve bribe website, something like that. They want to bribe you by your vote, and in exchange for your vote, they're giving you spell tokens. Insane. Insane. So we haven't seen absolutely nothing in crypto. Institutions know that, and institutions want the coins of the retail, and retail doesn't know where they are. They don't research. They just go, most of them, the average retail, go on YouTube, go on TikTok. Cardano will do 100x. Sure, never happened. I don't know if it ever will. If you bought Cardano ever in time, unless you bought at 20 cents, you're down. Ripple, same thing. That doesn't matter unless you bought at 20 cents. But if you just hold it, nothing happens. If you hold a coin that gives you reward just by holding that coins, not shitty yield farming stuff that you just hold and the coin goes to zero. If you hold valuable coins that pays you just by holding it, pays you in other legit coins, because they want your voting rights, because one vote doesn't really do anything. But if Spell gets like 100 million votes from Convex, they can do some real damage. I don't know how, but that's the principle behind it. So they're okay bribing me and giving me Spell and all that stuff. They're just my shifting is into VE coins, into moving forward into 2022. Highly suggest, not a financial advice, do some research about VE coins and the five that I mentioned. Okay, let's keep going. And if you like what you see, subscribe, of course. Those are some good nuggets. Good nuggets. It's not trending on YouTube. Nobody knows about it. People know about it. The people that make money knows about it. The regular people just go on YouTube. They watch Time Wonderland, 100 videos. They get the bias confirmation. Oh, this is good. This is good because everyone talking about it. Everyone will lose. Don't be that person. My opinion only. Okay. Let's see what we got. Achi, you are great. Thank you, Asaf. Thanks, brother. Link and Balancer. Yeah, those are good coins. Link is a solid blue chip crypto. What do you think about Chainlink and Balancer? Balancer is I liked Balancer a year ago, but there's better competitions out there now that gives you better returns. Solid project, but you know, in crypto, everything dies and something new comes and becomes the better thing. Cool haircut, thank you. Not answering a single question. Hey, I have this website that compare watch list count. Okay, I like the accent. Synthetic is good. Yep, you look good even after 40. Playing Snook, it's your fault. It's addictive, this game. Luna Poly, interesting. Views on Luna. Terra Luna at $60. I like the Luna ecosystem. If I'm gonna, that's my before I keep reading. Um, if I'm getting one airdrop this month, just one, from all the videos that I'm doing, and from all the airdrop that I'm searching and doing by myself, not even doing videos on all of them because it's impossible. It is possible, but there's a lot of them. If I'm just getting one airdrop of let's call it $1,000 and up, 2022, I'm going all in. I'm gonna buy a new laptop. I'm gonna have a MetaMask with I don't know, 3 to 5 accounts or something like that, and I'm gonna have all the systems. I'm gonna have Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Terra Luna, Solana, Atom, Cosmos, Atom, and the Callisto, whatever the case. And every airdrop that is potential, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take this full time, because this is real. We just need to search it, and I don't see. I think you're getting blacklisted if you have like, I don't know, 10 plus MetaMask wallets or something, and maybe one, two, three, you won't get detected. I don't know. I don't know. I need to see. So that's my play. Terra Luna, I'm not in the system. It's a great system. There's a lot of airdrops for this one as well, just by staking Luna. Make 20% on a stable, you know, but at $60, I don't know. Will KDA go to $5? I don't know KDA. It will be DAOs. Okay. How do you get Lira airdrop? We missed that. We should have buy or sell some options until like 2 days ago, and I only got into Lira website yesterday. So unfortunately, I have missed on Lira, unfortunately. But I don't want to miss any more airdrops. That's why I'm going into this full force to this airdrop space. You can LP it now, but pretty late. What is LP? Do you own any banana ape swap? Just think about what you're saying. Should I buy banana ape swap coin? Where did you get this video information? Where did you do your due diligence on banana on ape swap exchange? Just when you go into a coin, you gotta start thinking, okay, is this coin gonna be here 5 years from now? And if it does, what will I make if I buy it today? Every single week, every single month. What's the point of buying this coin if Bitcoin 5 years from now, let's say it's zero, but this coin is valuable? Well, what's the point of holding it? That's what I'm starting to shift my mind and thinking. Liquidity pool, I suggest first learn DeFi before chasing airdrop. Okay? Are you talking to me? Cake and banana, no and no. Why don't you like time now? Why don't I like time now? Check your balance. Tell me if it's good getting into time in December instead of 3 months ago. Just like any yield farm, the earlier you are, the better. Not once it's all over YouTube. It's already too late, in my opinion. Thoughts on Sophie stock? Not true. You can stake it with run BTC and rep BTC. Sure, but yeah. Okay. Hi Ziv, how are you? Facts. Listen to this, boss. Thank you. Curve is a gem. It is a gem. CVX is a gem as well. It is. The problem here is institutions know that. Institutions know that Curve is a gem and Convex Finance is a gem. But institutions are not trolling YouTube for trending crypto videos, and they're not making videos about that because it's not gonna get clicks. If I'm doing a video now on a Curve, I can guarantee it's gonna get less than 1,000 views in a week. If I do a video now on time and tell you how much I made on time in the last 7 days, I'm gonna get 10,000 plus views because people like that. But the money is not in time, the money is in the coins that are paying you rewards in other legit coins, okay, which as of today are the top 5 that I mentioned in the a couple of minutes ago in this video. Curve is a community driven, not pumped by venture capitals. Don't forget the airdrops to VE Curve holders. That's what I said. Yeah. Thoughts on VR, Victoria VR? I don't know them. I still don't get what VE coins are. Where can I research? Yeah, people don't know about VE coins because they don't, it's not on YouTube. It just doesn't get views. So in a nutshell, VE coins, you buy a coin, you stake that coin, and you get VE coin like Curve. You buy Curve, you stake Curve, you get VE Curve, and every week or two, whatever, you get rewards in VE curve or other random coins, but legit one, not nonsense. Random legit coins as well to get your vote. Because if you have curve, you're entitled to vote on some changes on the protocol, government, DAO. I don't know all the details, but those random legit coins, they want your vote so they can implement curve. And if they have a lot of money, they can do make it in favor of their coin, so they bribe you with their coin. They just want your vote. And I'm okay with that. Give me more coins. Take my vote, because I'm not gonna vote on curve changes in the government protocol. I'm just not gonna do it. So that's in a nutshell. I need to do a super thorough video. It means vested, they are locked. Yeah, don't marry the farm. Taiki. Yeah, that's true. I love Taiki. Go follow him. Very good guy. Cake, banana, pancake swap, ape swap. What do you think? I'm not on Binance. I really, really hate Binance. Yeah. What's your thoughts on Robinhood stock? I'm bullish long term on Robinhood, especially now at like 23 bucks. A lot better than 40 and a whole lot better than 80. First rule of the Gen upon the 2x rule of investment, then continue for free. Views on Aave. Aave is below 200 now. I like them a lot at 300. I like them a lot at 200. There's better competition now, as with everything in life. But Aave, a lot of people got liquidated in the last 24 hours. A lot of money got lost from Aave protocol as well. That's why Aave took a bidding a little harder than the rest. I like them. It's a blue chip. It's the number one DeFi coin that ever. But the competition is there. Curve and Convex Finance gives me better rewards than just buying Aave. That's the problem. It wasn't the case a couple of months ago. People go where they get money. There's no loyalty in here. If you are multi-chain, I would suggest using Rabi from DBank, easier than MetaMask. I've searched a little DBank for airdrop. I did a couple of stuff there, nothing major, but maybe I need to search DBank a little deeper. Where would you flip your balance into? You're awesome, thank you, Crypto Chick. Where would you flip your balancer? It's up to you. Depends. Why do you want to flip balancer? It's a solid coin, and depends where you bought. Depends when you sell. There's taxes. There's other options out there, but who knows? You don't do stocks anymore. I do. I've done a video yesterday. Barely got 100 views because nobody cares about stocks anymore. Retail wise, retail, because stocks went down a lot this week, so retail lost. So now retail is out of stocks. Just the average retail, they just jump from one thing to another. Now the best the retail is in is all those Time Wonderland, Klima, Hector, and all those forks. And this trend will end because retail will lose money and they will jump to something else. If you want to make something, you start thinking about which coin is going to be here a couple of years from now. But that's not even enough. You need to know, is this coin going to pay me every single week? That's what I want. And there's not a lot of those, basically. It's a big one. Cake is on PancakeSwap. I know it's a big one. I just hate Binance as a whole. Banana is on ApeSwap. ApeSwap. Okay. Staking DeFi. I stake super into Jam, but haven't checked on it. Been too busy. Haven't heard about those two. No one was talking to Rans about LP. Ha ha ha. Where have you been? Where you been? Okay. Where I've been? I got divorced a couple of months ago, and I need to take some time to myself to. Yeah, I took a bidding person, like a mental person. I wasn't expecting to get to yeah. I got divorced. I haven't seen my son on a daily basis since then. That's hard. I wasn't expecting to feel the way I felt. Yeah, but this was around, let's say, between June, July. We're now in December. I'm getting better. I'm getting better with the situation, and I'm getting back to crypto. That's where the future is. So that's where I've been. Sometimes there's life that you need to take a little break from social media and all that stuff, for the right reason for yourself. Crypto is not going anywhere. Stock market is not going anywhere, basically. So yeah, that's where I've been. Check out Polo Email Fi option aggregator launching soon. Okay, where's it launching on? 100% right. You are a gem. Thank you, Crypto Chick. I got into DPR early. Been awesome. Haven't heard about them, but okay. Never mind. This is delayed so much. You are a legend. Thank you, Tony. If you guys don't know me, I was on TikTok for like a year. I almost reached 100,000 subscribers. I had like 95, 96,000. And then I stopped because everything that happened in my personal life, and TikTok was way too much dopamine, and I just had to stop and just take a break, and then decided right now, like last month or so, started that I am gonna be back, but I'm just gonna do YouTube. I can't do YouTube, TikTok, and I can't. I gotta do, and not only that. So I picked my social media platform to keep building YouTube, and I picked to do instead of stocks, options, all that, because if you do all of them, the algorithm don't know which video to send to which crowd. So I decided to pick YouTube only, crypto only. That's my moving forward into the next year. But on crypto, I'm gonna talk about not just trending coins that everyone else talking about. I'm gonna talk about stuff that actually make you money. If you do all those airdrop stuff and you're gonna get a couple of $1,000, yeah. I hope you will. I hope we all will, basically. I thought you guys might like these yields. Currently average 80% annually, 500 million in the pool, upcoming pool, 1000%. Okay. Any thoughts on Cody? I like Cody. Same thing. I like Cody. I got in a little at 50 cents. It's less than 40 cents now. But now I'm thinking, what's the point of holding Cody? There's nothing for me to do other than praying for the price to go up. That's the problem. So sure, I can say, hey, Cody is a great coin. It is great project, great people behind it. People from Israel. It's an Israeli project. I'm from Israel. I support them. It's a great coin, great project. Everything is good. It's gonna go to $1,000 from 40 cents. I can hope, but until then, we are relying on Bitcoin. We are relying on the crypto as a whole. We are relying on regulation, and just by holding Cody, I don't make any money. No one is bribing me and giving me more coins to get my vote to just by holding Cody. There's no point for me to hold Cody. So for 2022, I'm gonna make adjustment for my portfolio to shift my focus and most of my coins to deposit into a VE coins that pays me rewards weekly with either the coin itself or other legit coins as well. So there's no incentive for people to just stake a random coin and then get paid and then dump it on the market. That's the beauty of the VE coins. There's no point of me holding a curve and then dump curve, because if I dump curve and not stake it, I don't get rewards from other coins. That's the next evolution in crypto, the VE coins. There was one, now there's five. and I highly suggest you research them. And I'm sure there will be a lot more. And it's even gonna get better, and the rewards are gonna get better. The rewards are gonna get more aggressive, and yeah, that's my thinking. And no one talks about direct food farmer. Go follow him. Not a lot of people talk about VE coins. That's next. Any thoughts on Cody? We talked about. Do I like DraftKings? No, I talked about it a couple of months ago. I said there's too much money wasted on marketing. Got a lot of dislikes. Nobody watched the video. It's a shame because look at this now. Wish stock, please. I got some options on Wish, as I said, for April. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Hopefully, Wish will do a little pump in the next couple of months. You will get there, mately. I like your videos. Thank you. Heart, strong emojis. Sorry to hear that, sir. That's fine. All will get better, Ziv. Thank you. Happy Hanukkah. Thank you as well. I feel for you, man. Thank you. You are the kindness and hope you see your kid soon. I see my kid. I see him once or twice a week, which is good now. But the first shock, instead of, and my son is young. I'm not gonna say his name or age, but he's young. He's a young kid, and not to see him when you used to see someone 24/7, and then not see that person. That's a shock. I wasn't prepared for this emotional shock, but I'm better now. Better now. Zepper and Zerion, go do yeah, probably airdrops. Go play with Zepper and Zerion. Yeah, very good point. Potential airdrops. Just do some swaps. Do some Polygon swap on Zepper for like 2 cents. But instead of Polygon, go do it on Zepper. Zerion, go use the exchange on Medic as well. The more you avoid Ethereum, the better we are. Ziv Olympus is giving me a lot. I'm forking it straight into Ethereum once a month. Okay, I hope it will. It depends when you get in, and that's the key here. Depends when you get in. Not even a real coin. Are we in the start of a bear market? I don't know. That said, hopefully that family stuff gets figured out. It's a lot better now. Either way, we crossed the 1 hour mark. I hope this was valuable. This is my state of the crypto nation coming to you live on this Saturday. I'm not too worried about this drop as a just a summary notes. The of course the people that will lose the most are retail. Retail either sold today or probably will sell in the next, in my opinion, 2 3 months. When the market will go nowhere, they will get bored and move to something else. Eventually, things will get back higher and higher and higher. Medic price prediction. I love Medic up, hopefully higher. I talked about Wish, etc., etc. What's my thought about Pi? Uh, the sky scam in disguise in YouTube trends, but I don't know a lot about them. I could be wrong. Anyway, my name is Ziv, Finance After 40. Subscribes, links, all that stuff. You value my contact, Patreon, $10 a month to join and DM me there so I can answer more questions. And I will probably release the VE list, the top 5 list that I talked about. What airdrops are you watching? There's a list out there, an Excel sheet of like 200 potential airdrops that I'm going over one by one by one. See if I got into a Lord token ICO. Interesting. It's gonna be the fifth exchange in Binance. I hate Binance. Hopefully Binance will list it. I think it's cause you're a play. See you later. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Pi is a real BS. Thank you everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.